So you know the fear. Monica, you know even the fear. When they move, Monica no via tuari. Lareo, oh that's somewhere. Ge, ole gogoro ge, ni bomuria. Nuwe yo nyawo una mwamuwe una yo nyamani una kumgbe mani tuore. Emani when a destiny yari loto emani still so when a destiny yari loto a. Abioma ve me gugwe mare. Monica, where bega award that for egi room. Monica, one of them worry mamu we are selling. We are selling we mukian we here get destiny a. Me ma understand. We are selling we mukian we ti odoni we are selling. O your sick paloni of your backbone we mukian we ya get destiny a. Monica. O we mu worry mu we mani ye bush me ti ya leva e. Ni je bush me ti ya leva o we ava wa o take ke gile ne gbe oho. O we ya gyo da fu we no yo bini. O da fu we no li gboneji wina. No your money akpamuwe ya hwenya. Monica. Muwe Monica. Who destiny You are a very stupid man. No me no say na way too stupid. So when we go say, gwalo bono hin agbe Monica wa. Gwali pakpera ni ya sale Monica gbe ni ma na ti gbe ni ami omopa. Destiny. So I be running where was spray new make agbon yala. Destiny. Ni aria kokodu Monica yen ogo vie wa son ogia since how many years now? 2 years the Monica ya tie bonwe. Destiny. Mighty be Monica no mi omo paswe. Destiny. Mighty kyo janoro we gbe onu gwalo ma no ke ya gbo ti wa we do. Destiny. Monica, at the age of 13 years old. Or even Google granny her destiny. Here we go, I have no sense in Yek, so we want to go to Oviaki Kokba. Oviaki Vion. Oh, well, I don't do I in when no, void but that one, Kakevivier, although ya who were destiny who were. When I go, Umagwala Manohiam Monica Venenu Befo Flat in Omani, or I think be Monica wa. Who? What? Go. Take it. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Hey, destiny. So you go in where one and you were one more quiet. Cavo bonore doni kata. Now we are yoja bonine. Ave bonore doni. Ikata. Now we are yoja negagi wina. E Monica na muwe ma kave we. Nera ho. Era na mwe kone. Ija ikpano e kona gwalo mano kia mo adia webo. Oyi Google gwani ha. Oyi Google gwani ha Monica no ma make iya wa Bruce na ya bien ya ma na 20 million naira cash. Oh Google gwan we no host table of 20 million naira. Who hosted one night. Who yari eva enevo. Egbo ma veri oni okpa misi kanko we na Destiny, where are you? Where are you, Destiny? Are you sleeping? Destiny, where you are? Destiny, are you sleeping? I'm Bruce, no when our we call. Where bege mani guwe gwan? E mani ma ehue. Bruce no Monica Lareo, o wanga mo Bruce ladian we o dafiyen no. We na Bruce ni wa jeni o wana mo ladian o dafiyen no. The Facebook na we ne yo ne. We ye potopota ya hwin ya one. In short, I'm short of words. I don't know what to say. Monica. O wanga mu what rive mu we. Avec gile ni wone no ru gbo. O we ya give ya kikono na Bruce. A Bruce ni ayo nya life ene. A Bruce ne life igi gwe. Monica. Owe mu wori ribe mu gwe. A destiny we ya o a toothpick when we ya zakon. Destiny true to God. Umanati gwaleni we Monica we family yen get we wa be zuwa. Umaiti kame Monica umanati we Monica. Umanati gbodianori your destiny. Udianori yo na mi no mu ya woda fun sana. Umanati saloji yen gbe. Yen wu we bi o wa. Akpo me bere gbugwe. Ivan ta bi nego ba. Biagi nego ba. Ya me 100 million wo wa me na. Aru opa ka ma me wo wa mai. Iho ni yari nonsense yin agbonre. Destiny when on hosted table of 20 for 20 million naira. Obi o kan pa yan wo da fun e wo ko gbo ni an se ba ni. O wa be won wa ne government mu ni yan ma ti asigo go wa no ne 1 euro we Facebook. O ma na yo nyane. O ma ne ru wala ya ogi no wodo. O ma be sheshe get father ya ogi no wodo. Ona okpa mi sikan o tie bonu we. O je potopoto ya wo we. Okay, dem no he yak pin when ye gbo were na destiny. Destiny. In when I no dana ga yo wa one na. In when no mu you we gbe na wa he yak pe ye gbo were ye. Destiny.
So Warner, how do you like Los Angeles?
It's big.
Oh my God. Ay. La wo in when no atuari no be dokpolo nera bi je mu la we at the age of 12 years old nera this virgin. In when na ye mu you we gbe na Obadi Gear Street ayan wo win ya opposite something. Wa ma ya gwale mi wa kian wo tin e no ko e. O wa ma na ti gbe wa ge bosi e wa repair to koma. Repair to coma. Is a disgrace for you, though. And if ye, Lare, Ikakama, na we mani gbiju we o munya we. We men we je. We men we je. We me no dey we 43 years uje. If ye 43 years, you are still behaving like a kid, kindergarten. Uwe ye behave ne mani razilo. Uwe ye behave one mona razilo ivie. Uwe ye behave ne moni razilo ivie. You are under a spell. And then we mag bavie. Uwe when he like Facebook street. But I beg we ona adu me kiabu we me. Ivie la re hwe mu we. Yangele wo hwe moji we na gotion Uwe manami mano guwe gwan spiritu we gbere ladian we guwe gwan we ri awen ano wo ano eva ano ha ano ne ano sen ehwe mu we a abia boni ya gbalo we ni yen beze dia be ra ya
Blenders, microwave, TV going.
Eru wala we emi no do we se we hen ya asemi no roto na eru wala because awonu ri bare ayela la ro magu we riere. Even on a wanatu arrive Tony and David bypassy. What that for working here near Wallan, why are the mortgage with London? Wow, what that for my team when why are the mortgage? Oh, Tonorado, or what here when we go there with why are the mortgage? Wow, every while I work in London, they don't hear who the ticket in London away. Because was your ike. Waja tu arike no ya wa egi no wodo even who wait the ticket na wa be ya wa egi no wodo ne kwemu du mezedo nu dan ekia ne twen yahu ritualist yahu ma du mezedo ritualist yahu ma du mezedo aka Papa Wala of Netherlands. Even on there who the ticket here, why are we gino evani? Umaya mama no bie. Do mezedo. Umaya mama no bie. Why are here kekwa? We were here ke ya keke. Ivie. A shame and disgrace. Although la we be Facebook now. A step up by Facebook inare. Because you might with Facebook. Is here another la Facebook whether $600 in a week. And does every week $600. Then we yagbo we na una. We are working with Facebook. Why me wana gwaze do any ye joy FIA. Umuwe mugie. Wa kekwa. Wow. A family of Monica ya fefe no na from head to toe. And Bruce no ma so when a destiny ya li loto e bata ne destiny gba Bruce ma so e. Oh wow don when I ga we junkie. Ekwe muwa.
Yeah. So let's have a little time and flash next.
Ekwe muwa.
Small, but this one for what? You want me to get you in? No thanks. Come on, man.
All we need a word it and a word or a tita or a tita because he may want hand word. Or we me one no. Or a tita I don't know. In our hair, but destiny yakboya yegwere. This insult on Facebook is too much. Ego aya gwagbo ni degbe. Destiny, this insult is too much in your body. Go and make sure you deal with that girl called Monica. This insult is too much. She has been giving it to you, but yesterday night I couldn't sleep. I was sleepless. Please. Please. Please.
Were you formerly Mona Hawkins?
Please. Ya yi gonna yakbe gbe o we gbe. Dana wo egbe la wowo pagbe ewie me ma se TV na la wowo pagbe destiny in any way nu ya fighting a Monica na no settlement e dey bawe bogioma motai o ma no like o ma o dey bawe bogioma o ma no like o ma o dey bawe bogioma no ma like o ma o me na ya wo ma underground u ya mu egba yu weran Iye invoke spirit you wearan. Egbeni an we vie na. Iye boy no mama de di bieka. Iti akoli we no de wa amwe phone ni make na ro vie we. Ugo we ave singo me atosti we. Ukwe do mother for me mana lega we aka mo ega zizahin igba we mweran. Do mother fi me. We don't more that female me atie no ba enu when we don't mu to gwalo second wife hiam hiam iye boy we don't more that female no gere na bo to bo no mama no we doni bo no mama no we doni ni me kam we bo exist amwe me come 21 days o mani ameme mana we 21 days awari ejo mana we so pe ni go da we oh where anybody not really yada for ya fialase ye ya mu emi mi ropa wi e ma ta ye boy e ma ta uwu do ri mana gbo we no re doni atie won wa iya mana mo bibio we no re doni no so ame overnight atie won wa e ma ta agbon ya gbe kan agbon ya gbe kan agbon ya fefefe awa gbe kan imu abibio we i eri owo koko du wason we mi kene benati kian wa gavan gi orebe agi ohun o ti kian owo we odafin e ma ta evie mi unrie ladian be ba ni evie wa mi unrie ladian o ga argument no mi unrie ladian uwo ya ta owo odafin area odafin will be this if I be destiny I go start from Monica family from house my sister na that one they pay me who be this pretty osagi the thing they pay me this idiot who they carry enter abroad at the age of 12 years old he too they insult that boy they pay me destiny we want to go kwa for nothing so even when we met ya kioja negbuwe destiny umeti ya kioja negbe destiny go ni we wan enu umeti ya kioja negbe nu ya deal with un dana true to God e pisi de gbe lawe Monica di me no e pisi de gbe lawe Monica e me sure iye e family ni ya hin to no gbe ri e pisi de gbe lawa On tient gualome na gualome ki amieme. Oh where akwa be rawe Destiny, I'm sorry, I apologize. Ori blue abiora ole. Apologize ori blue abiora ole. Mata. When Monica wan Bruce no my eku no yin €1 le Facebook here. Monica wan gbon we hin. Where go we that fu we get to wa you people are dead among the living. Odono ma mani nu we mu here no ga money here. You know the eye na Facebook. Imagine Monica wants sell land, take buy house for UK. Yes, now that will not be new topic again. Now, truth now. Me too. She blocked my 2 accounts. That will not be new topic again. And Papa Wala, I want to help them buy the land. They don't buy ticket. Now they come London. One come for your husband presents. Then they use until they do ritual. Or that for you, I will ritual now. When go Bruce a junkie no. So any magin we know. Eru wala wa we. Bruce ya washing ya. Or Bruce or you ni sa eru wala di jouer ya jam on your jam lock. Bruce ya you or you ni sa eru wala wa di jouer yan so amu egba. Ave mani yo wa. Ave manu wa ma go wa gbon we kin Monica. O ma gbon we kin. Wodo o teme wa no teme wa no teme wodi wa kin o we ri ame wodi wa kin o we na wodi ya di loto o han aguwe ya di loto o han aguwe ya o we na wodi ya di loto o han aguwe ya di loto a wa salwa nene wodi no o ke kave no sef so me ma de only a topic on de topic e de na so e no roto na ivie no man we kita we ni we iya we ga we vie we ga we kron we agbela wilo ivie uni da hwe kata ari Jennifer Collins TV ikakpe message gwe uni da hwe vie uni da hwe 1 year straight 1 year every day wa ya hwe uni da hwe gwalo no kian wi pakperan gwe nu ya hwe every night because ya gbalo we ya mu pakperan we in sense we gi gwe ya ri ekpane enwe we ya ri enjo we enwe we ya na me we di resense ya na ri nekita ekita ya ri sense we na ya na ri oga we nya we no se we na igbo kian lele ya awani vie ki Facebook iti e bon na reply vie we go mani e we no because e vie o managbon because oga o managbon uyin no wa fly lele ya kian mother of 3 no da fu we pasu we enu gele work on yourself. No work on yourself. No way yes say go then you see na ya agwale nikia. Wo awa gogojo. Yen wo awa mekia e boyfriend we gu yen ye kenie na le se we enu ya demi. Obi Cameroon no reba ni na we lobieke. Ne mi otolu we a. When you are koka gwe Nigeria no ya ahio de totolo we. Uri aboliki by koka no ya ahun no ya hunye ba ni. Owo we Cameroon ye wa le se we na Africa market ye ke we ni ero na mula wona we. Ivie ekwede de mo ya hu ya we wari so ijo we ma we kia na ria no sivie abijo e ma ro we dia ma ro we bu mi adeni ro we uhun depression ya we Monica ya vex ko be ni vie ya la life iya we life my dey become anybody ni vie la life no iya tie bo ni vie. Anybody not really Livier life of one must to destroy. So people beware of Ivier. Anybody ni viele leku. Anybody ni viele leku. Omani oranyo duku oranye lada ni asiesi koto. People should beware of Ivier. People, please beware of Ivier. Beware of Ivier. Ivier not be human being. People beware of Ivier. Ivier not be human being. Ivier is dead among the living. Now Monica confessed yesterday before she come out yesterday. Who know things say who ordinary hands, Destiny and Esther are not sleeping and are not sleeping. No, not be so that they do that kind of person. No. Edede na mumu is this you na me or that must just part na me. No, this kind juju way they do so me not like am. Oroto wa ne wani eme. people wey know me, Muna ask them. Mana me come under 21 days. No be saying a lie. Oh. Mana me come on 21 days. They mani you know say mana only lad on Facebook. 21 days. Mana ve awa before flat no ma. Eta bata ri no. I will buy 4 flats for you. I'm with Ekene word na hia Esther hia se word ya Esther go hia we kene word na hia e word o viera me no we kene word na hia e word e try word e Monica agbe kan word e word yen we bo be Nigeria e word we hia agukun e word e word o viera me no e compound okpa ma na wan compound okpa ma we word na wan e word na mo Monica gbe nesta ya obi ye kori won e word iwe bobe Nigeria bobe Nigeria outside country e word na webo e word yin me dia na tie so wa e word na mo Monica word fun egba di kiara no ni awe Facebook na e Facebook na akia bere Monica agbon ya kian join ya ye black in Monica word fun e word Monica kian fi lupegi e word ma so wa na tie e word ipa peran to boy Iye destiny go awe bo we kene word ji. Please, my beautiful sister, help me put madness for if you not even need madness again. If you're not ready, they mad. You know they see that girl. Mona know say people with that psychopath they worry. Mona they see them. If she enter video, she gonna do like this. She gonna use her to do her face like this. That girl, she not settle. I don't know person where do that girl something. They settle down, they kill her mother, they can't settle down, do her, they can't carry her father high come on for where she did. They settle down, do her. No, no, they wash her. She not they settle. That girl not they settle. That girl they mad oh. Honestly oh. Forget say she they go walk. Ama when no me jugbo. No me talk kokore aha. She's mad. From that UK to Ikeja, now go end up. Now go end up. Monica don't die now. Share this video. I bet me share this video. Me approko Karen. Eh? Why you move Monica? When you this virgin, you na gwalomano hiamu. Wuga manera. At the age of 12 years, you na yakmane. Ko na muwe adie webu. Monica, you are just 37 years. They bang babe 37 years. Ulewebo 20 years ago. I be 1998. Monica Lawebo. That is 24 years ago. 23 years ago. 23 years ago. She's just 37 now. Oh, we again na friend the boy Destiny. Where Monica? Even ye push to yari breakfast. Oh, we go go. Oh, where? Destiny, umana seti ni adomu biye Monica o wa son we go to we wa be o wa go ni we wa ni rubbish go o le u me gagbon umana ti gian ni adomu bia son ye Monica o e wani ye we mi no wa ro Destiny la ye dore la ye Nigeria re e wani ye mu me ko ma ya ro e wani ye we no mas bibizo zu ya ye ro Sisi ye gwalu we ye kan ye we de amune wi mai ori agwasa goloku na lao adaji wo de na lao adaji wo de yes a conveyance on your wa o bi we awen ye wa cross upo imoto e wa gbe ye ba ni flat we mi ro pe ye mo dekun ku we what from we o dekun okay temptation and like with temptation Destiny where are your money? Destiny go where we go where na you
Don't you think it's better if we clear things?
Destiny, where is your money?
Well, I don't think it's me that you need to...
Destiny, you go where? Umati jigona ya kyoja negbo Wa mi ni vieta we no de vie we tu we gberu we yari azigo. Ivie we ru we Destiny we gbe yari azigo. Destiny, where are you? Where are you? Are you sleeping? This riffraff. Ibiekani amula we bonodo gbigbe aganeri yan vision ze vision rivae. O itie bonu we no yegbe we no jun ya gba me amu igona. Where are you? Where are you? Waiting can't ever pay me pass. Now say destiny can't even they write Monica. What a this can you imagine? Insult upon injury. I don't know why Destiny even did this Facebook first. Destiny, you don't need Facebook here. Okay, wait till that one come in now. Come the day Facebook, they lavish money. Destiny, take 10 million away from your money. Where case the 10 million naira? Monica what that when you get it the yet in Monica what that when you get it where you let it. He what they give me your power. Orikolo. Oda fun we ni we bere ga we rirun. Oda fun eje oyo bibi agbe wa why mo bibi e. Wa mi yan na mi wu Destiny. We ni am mo bibi Bruce na bibi yo isi agbe Monica wa zuo wa eva ni sisi yan eva live ku gbe ne. O wa re o pie dokpo we ya gbe wa. E police kere Monica wu ne wo wa. Wa mo bibi yan. Ew. What did not say when na Monica na ka all ka yezo ya wene na what the Destiny no ni ahon because what the me what the kakabo what the heavy what the heavy money and night no ya go all ya revenge ma we matter no roto na my cousin what evie ikwe dem we okpia no love ye ku wene no we no oga ataya na yawe ya make caricature ina yawe ya make joke get we blow win so ina yawe ya make joke mani we owe we Cameroon wa Africa market ogen yi ko ede ona o we gine beds ivie ihama we gi won are Nigeria we ni are konka gwenu ya hwiwe we ni de totolo we uwe agatolo we when ya hwiye. Precious Meg, may I leave this message for you. I beg my sister, they get shame small. I use God beg you. Get small shame for your private parts. You can't lovely live video they talk say you fist coy. Now make you the fat. Say whether you know they fuck. Now what is they talk for public be that? A old mature woman. Precious Meg, the last time where I check your age, you are 45 years old. A old matured woman. See what you they talk for your mouth, Precious Meg. You know the shame. What is not concern you? They use until they rub your body. You know all this matter where they grant, so it not concern you. It not concern you, but you just they carry the matter for it. I see send a gala now you want to go sell for a kiosk market. It not concern you. This matter not concern you. I know say they be your farm, but not be the way where you open live video come they disgrace yourself. Precious Meg, a old big woman like you just come and say because of that one whether you know they fuck. Can you imagine? Talk about fuck on national on CCTV. People where they watch they pass 1 million where you go come watch that video tomorrow. They talk about yourself when nobody even they talk to you, Precious Meg. Nobody they even they refer to you. You don't they talk to yourself. Precious Meg, what did they do you? I don't even know say so you be. I say you even get some more sense for your brain. What did they happen, Precious Meg? All those food where you they sell for there, I love it. They sell your food, they do your market. No, they involve yourself. If you want to involve yourself, come and talk to. No, they use yourself till they describe Vivier. Precious Meg. No, they use yourself till they describe Vivier. Even though your name don't first spoil, but people never know say your name spoil where for Facebook. When they use yourself, they imitate Ivier. Ivier way don't rot finish, where they want to go throw away. Ivier way they smell. They use your gallant self, they imitate that idiot fellow. We not get front, he not get back, he not get waist, he not get anything. Iye boy, he can't tame away. What that from or that thing or no doll. Wa mo that from me is illegal.